this is how to make the ddakji, mostly from Squid Game. So let's get right into it. So first, what you're gonna need is just 2 pieces of paper for each one. So the first thing that you want to do is fold it in half. You want to grab your other paper and do the same thing. Try to make them as equal as possible. As you can see, it's not as equal, but oh, no. So you're gonna want to put at least, well, you're gonna want to put one under. Then you're gonna fold it this way. Then you're gonna fold it the other way. You want to do the same thing. You're gonna want to do the same thing. Doesn't take that long. And the first one you're gonna want to fold this way, and you're gonna want to fold that way. You want to fold. Nope, I did that wrong. Fold that way. Then finally just put under there. I did something wrong. Okay, wait. Wait, cut, and bam! It's way. Look at the difference. This one's massive. But you know what else is massive? No! Yeah! And there you have it, folks. That's the easiest way to get slapped in the face. So, Squid!